Ryan.
Great job.
Hunter. Nick.
I can do Facebook pictures. Whatever you want me to do.
See, they work together. Home pictures, Facebook.
Nice work, kid, man.
Quad City, great job. Great job all weekend, boys. It's a pleasure to have you. Tough here. Just kept scoring, kept scoring, kept scoring. Great job all weekend. Top tier. Loving you. There you go, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Bring them up for me.
Good. Tommy Townsend.
All right, Stag.
Great job.
Micah Meyer.
All right, Micah. Way to work out there, baby.
Whoops. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There you go, buddy.
Hey, big game out there, kid. Big game.
Tracy Dearski.
Great job, man.
Jake Catella.
Kella.
Great job, man.
Everett Ford.
Brad.
All right.
Great job.
Mike Sloan.
Good job, Everett. Right guy in the building, baby.
Great job, young man.
Luke Burgos.
Good job.
Sam. Bring it in.
It's the magician.
Great job out there, young man.
Ethan Zawinski.
All right, Paulo.
All right, hey, real quickly, I'll get you out of here, but I know these guys want to get on the road, but you know what, this does qualify both teams for our Champions Day, something we started with the White Sox about 5 years ago, where the top 2 teams in all of our tournaments qualify. At the end of the year, we have thousands of young men come out to a Major League game. They're all sitting together. They're having a great time reminiscing about the summer. So there's information on our website. The last thing I want to mention, too, is the MVP tags. Well, these teams, probably every kid's an MVP. So, you know what? The MVP tags qualify you for our All-Star event. There's information on the website. The All-Star event, you come out, and then, again, we pick teams and we take them to Disney. I know some of these kids have been there, so they can tell you it's a lot of fun. So, last thing I need to do, I'll get a picture first of Quad City. Hit me, and then I'll get top 2, okay? Parents, come on out.